Welcome to Webstyle Plus. Gemini 2.0 is out and you can use Gemini 2.0 free. It's the most capable AI from Google. Releasing the first model in the Gemini 2.0 family of models, an experimental version of Gemini 2.0 Flash. It can natively call tools like Google Search, code execution, as well as third-party user-defined functions. And here is its comparison with Gemini 1.5. Looks impressive. Improved capabilities like native tool use, and it can also natively create images and generate speech. It's multimodal. That means it allows text, image, speech, video, audio, live video, and more. Input tokens support is 1 million. Output support is 8K. It's best for low latency scenarios and automating tasks, and it's available in Google AI Studio, Gemini API, Vertex AI. So to use it, first I'll go to gemini.google.com. Then from this drop down, I'll select 2.0 Flash Experimental. Just log in using your Google account, select 2.0 Flash Experimental and start using it. We can also go to lmarena.ai, then click on Arena side-by-side link. From drop-down, select Gemini 2.0 Flash Experimental. And here you can select any other AI model. Type your prompt, hit enter, and get the response. Pretty solid responses from both of these models. Okay, we can also go to aistudio.google.com. Log in using your Google account. Select the model from here. Under preview, you can select Gemini 2.0 Flash Experimental and start using it. You can also let this model access your Google Drive. You can upload file, upload image, record audio, take a photo. And if you have a webcam attached, you can also record the video and use it in prompt. So these are popular ways right now that can be used to use Gemini 2.0 for free. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.